Good evening, everyone. This is Atticus from The Complete Trade, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the cryptocurrency Lido Dao. There's not much coverage on Lido Dao, so not many people are aware that this cryptocurrency even exists. So just a quick overview on Lido Dao. One of Lido Dao's main value propositions is to provide liquidity to staked Ethereum. Traditional staking requires a lockup period, meaning your funds are inaccessible for a set amount of time. By using Lido DAO, users can stake Ethereum without losing liquidity, allowing them to trade or use their assets. Personally speaking, this will be one of my largest altcoin holdings for the upcoming bull run. So there was an interesting piece of news that came out this week concerning Lido DAO discontinuing liquid staking on Solana, and this comes after earlier this year Lido DAO also discontinuing liquid staking on Polkadot and Kusama. In my opinion, this piece of news is irrelevant. I've always associated Lido DAO primarily with Ethereum, with Lido DAO as of today ramping up to nearly 33% in market share in regards to the amount of Ethereum staked. Put it this way, if Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin in the next bull market, in other words, Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation puts in a new high, Lido DAO will most likely be a direct beneficiary from Ethereum's outperformance. Okay, so moving onwards to the technical analysis, Lido Dao is below every single key moving average, which is not bullish in the short term. Lido Dao also got rejected at the 100 daily moving average in orange. But bear in mind, looking at the bigger picture, Lido Dao is trading in a corrective descending channel, which is bullish for the long term. It's also important to note that whilst Bitcoin created a new bear market low in November of 2022, Lido Dao actually created a higher low. Now, taking a look at the volume profile towards the left, the blue line on the top represents the value area high, and the blue line on the bottom represents the value area low. Purchasing any asset under the value area low can also be interpreted as buying any asset when it is undervalued. The current value area low is at $1.45. Shifting gears to the Elliott wave count, I am currently tracking a bullish 1212 setup, similar with Ethereum. All altcoins since March of this year has had very sloppy corrective price action structures, primarily due to the surge in Bitcoin dominance. But from what I can gather, this resembles a three-wave corrective structure for a B-wave top, and we're about to come down in an impulse to complete our wave C of this wave 2 retracement. Now within our C wave, we're missing our wave 5. So as shown in a previous video, I think it was the previous Bitcoin episode, one method to measure the target of a wave 5 is by taking a 1.618 Fibonacci retracement of our wave 4. This would put Lido DAO at roughly $1.20, which has confluence with our 78.6% Fibonacci retracement and our 61.8% trend-based Fib extension. Just because the targets for this wave 5 are at $1.20 doesn't mean it'll get there. In my opinion, anywhere within our blue Fibonacci retracement support area that spans between $1.16 to $1.72 provides an excellent opportunity to buy the dip on Lido DAO. If Lido DAO goes to double digits next market cycle, I don't think you'll care if you bought Lido DAO at $1 or $1.50. That being said, there is an invalidation level for this bullish setup. Should Lido DAO break under 87 cents, this will trigger an alternate wave count, which I will show in another video. We'll wrap this initial coverage on Lido DAO by taking a look at the Lido DAO against Bitcoin valuation. So very similar towards the end of 2022, the Lido DAO against Bitcoin valuation is trading in a descending wedge. Now, I'm not going to lie, this move down is starting to look very impulsive. We are about to tag the 1.618 trend-based Fib extension and the lower trend line of the falling wedge. So we'll see if the Lido DAO against Bitcoin valuation can catch a bounce. That being said, it wouldn't surprise me if the Lido DAO against Bitcoin valuation overshoots the lower trend line of the falling wedge and tags the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. All right, so in summary, Lido DAO is a great buy here in my opinion. Obviously not financial advice. So yeah, that's my analysis on Lido DAO for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.